morning and welcome to today's video market update for July 9th. All this week we've been doing power of sales and bank foreclosures in the central Toronto area. Today's hottest listing is in St. Jamestown. Turning point for the St. Jamestown neighborhood occurred in 1953 when the City of Toronto announced major zoning amendments for the downtown core. New zoning significantly increased building coverage in St. Jamestown, making it an instant target for private developers. By the end of the 1950s, a consortium of developers had bought up and demolished St. Jamestown's entire housing stock in order to build Toronto's first high-rise residential apartment towers. Located just around the corner from George and Adelaide Streets at 112 George Street, this one-bedroom condo is in an excellent location, right on the east edge of the downtown core. This condo includes top-of-the-line features and finishes. For sale at $449,900. Power of sale. Give us a call. For us coffee lovers, this condo, I should say, is just steps from Tim Hortons and the local Starbucks. Thanks for joining us, and remember, we're connected to all of the hottest listings in the GTA every single day with special interest to all the best deals for buyers. Well, be sure to visit us again tomorrow morning to see tomorrow's hottest listing in a surprise location.